How to log out of Microsoft Outlook in your computer. Let's see how it's done. There is no clear option to log out from with an Outlook application. You need to do it from your Windows application. First, click Ctrl plus the I key on your keyboard, which will open this pop-up settings window. Next, click here and enter Accounts section. And again, on the left-hand side of the screen, click Emails and Accounts tab. Next, in the right, scroll down to this section where all the emails linked into your Outlook account will be visible like this. Click the Outlook account and click Remove button below. Again, confirm removing the Outlook account from the device. And done, successfully logged out of Microsoft Outlook in the computer. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.